Why you should choose KUIKIBO S1, window cleaning robot with dual water spray. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Unique leather belt. We have innovated the appearance of window cleaning robots to be more stylish. The size of KUIKIBO S2 5 window cleaner robot is 33 x 16 x 9 cm or 11.8 x 3 c 5.5 inches, which is especially lighter and thinner than other window cleaning robots. We also add a leather on it. It would be more convenient for you to hold the robot. Upgraded water spray technology. The automatic robot window cleaner has upgraded water outlets. We have adopted atomized water nozzle to prevent nozzle clogging. We have also increased the amount of water spray, from 0.03 ml per spray to 0.05 ml. The improvements could lead to efficiently clean the window. It can clean up to 10 square meters windows at one time without slipping. Low noise. We found that the most common shortcoming with current window cleaning robots is the noise through our extensive market research. KUIKIBO window cleaning robot adopts advanced brushless DC motor and improves the motor dynamic balancing system. The noise of our window cleaner robot is 65 decibels at 15 cm away, to 58 decibels at 1.5 meter away. Clean frame and frameless window. The window washing robotics equipped with Intelligent Navigation System 5.0 and edge detection, which precisely recognizes frameless glass and automatically reverses at window edges. It features 3 cleaning modes for deeper cleaning, which you can select using the remote control. Suitable only for vertical glass surfaces, not for roof glazing. During power outages, the robot could stick to windows for 30 minutes, cleaning function unavailable. Great gift for your lover. Our robot has great toolbox packaging, which would be easier to store and carry. The speed of it has increased to 15 cm per second. It can automatically clean indoor and outdoor window, especially high glass, not recommended for skylights, which will greatly facilitate your life. It will be a good helper in your life and an ideal gift for your families and friends. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.